Welcome to Neon Income AI, your source for AI side hustles, passive income, and digital product domination. In today's video, we're unlocking the new way to make money with Canva AI and how people are making over $2,370 per day creating simple dot-to-dot books using AI tools and selling them on Amazon KDP. If you're ready to build passive income streams, monetize your creativity, and start a scalable online business using Canva AI and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, then smash that like button and let's get into it. Dot-to-dot books are one of the hottest new passive income ideas on Amazon KDP. You've probably seen coloring books and puzzle books, but now creators are using Canva AI to design dot-to-dot books, and they're raking in hundreds to thousands per day. Canva AI makes it easy, fast, and beginner-friendly to design and publish your own low-content books. This is a perfect method for those looking to start an AI side hustle or make money online in 2025 without prior experience. Here's what you need to get started: a free Canva account with AI image generator access, an Amazon KDP self-publishing account, basic creativity and consistency. This method is fully automated, cost-effective, and works even if you're starting from scratch. Let's create a dot-to-dot book with Canva AI. Go to Canva, head to the Apps section, and launch Text to Image. Type in a prompt like simple cartoon cat drawing outline kid-friendly. Select an image that's bold and easy to trace. Now go to the Draw app in Canva and use the eraser tool to remove parts of the image. Add small, numbered dots where the lines used to be. This turns your image into a full dot-to-dot activity page. Repeat this process to create 20-30 pages of content. This process is how you turn AI-generated art into profitable digital assets. Once you've created your dot-to-dot images, compile them into a standard 8.5 x 11-inch document using Canva's PDF editor. Make sure each page has a clean layout. Add a cover page something bold, bright, and niche specific. Examples: animal dot-to-dot fun for kids or mindful dot-to-dot for adults. Next, export your interior and cover as PDF files. These are what you'll upload to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Canva AI helps you design fast, but success comes from attention to detail. Head to Amazon KDP and sign in. Create a new paperback project. Input your book title, subtitle, author name, and description. Optimize your metadata with keywords like dot-to-dot activity book, kids puzzle book, low content KDP, and AI generated puzzle books. Upload your PDF interior and your Canva design cover. Choose black and white printing and no bleed. Set your price between $5.99 and $9.99 for ideal royalty margins. Click Publish. You now have a self-published book available globally. But to make money with Canva AI, you'll want to drive traffic. Promote your dot-to-dot book using Pinterest posts by catching pins linked to your Amazon listing. Use keywords like free kids activity printables and fun dot-to-dot challenges. On Instagram and TikTok, show behind-the-scenes clips of you using Canva AI to create the book. Add trending hashtags like #Canvoy, #Amazon, #AR, #Passive Income, and #Digital Products. Let's recap. You used Canva AI to create dot-to-dot pages, compiled your content, uploaded to Amazon KDP, and launched a digital product business. This is a powerful way to build passive income, start a side hustle, and create cash flow using AI tools in 2025. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI business models, Canva money making ideas, and KDP automation tutorials. This is Neon Income AI. Your next income stream starts now.